Hello everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. So today we are going to make our skills project. Basically this is the static design with HTML and CSS for your practice. These projects are so important for your practice in HTML and CSS. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna make boilerplate in HTML, and firstly I will give the title to my skills. Okay, now we are going to link to styles.css for connection, and after that I'm gonna make the heading for h1 tag, and I'm gonna write here my skills. Then we are going to make a div and we are gonna name it main box, and inside this div we are going to make h3 tag. Let's give this h3 tag a class of skills. Okay, and after that I'm gonna do Alt Shift down. So my first skill is coding, my second skill is thumbnail making. Okay, so you need to mention your skills. My third skill, my fourth skill is video editing, my fifth skill is sketching, my sixth skill is public speaking. Let's write here the next skill is teaching, and then I'll shift down one more time, and the last skill is cooking. So I'm done with my skills, and you need to mention your skills. Okay, so now let's go live. Okay, so we are having this bunch of things with us, and now we are going to style them. So firstly I'm gonna target the body, and inside it I'm gonna mention the background color as black, and let's save this. Okay, we are having the black color. Then I'm going to target the main box div so that we will be having a proper box, and let's set the width for 400 pixels, and the height would be, let's say, 460 pixels, because we need to make a bit longer. We don't need to make this square. And now we are going to mention the background color. Just for now we are mentioning white color. After that we'll change it. Okay, we are having this. First of all we'll make these all things in center, so display flex, so that all the things will come in a row. Then we are going to do justify content, and we'll do center. Let's save this. Okay, we are having all the things in center. Okay, so now we are going to do position relative. So basically this will be the parent of main box. If we do position absolute, now we can control the main box in the body wherever we want. So let's do from top, we can have 100 pixels. Let's try this. Okay, it's nice. Now we'll come to the text, like the skills is the class, say text align in center, so all the text will come in center. And then we are going to set the font family. Let's say this one. You can change the font family whichever you like. We are having all the skills, but there is no space with them, so we can do just margin top for, let's say, 30 pixels for a average one. Let's try this. Okay, now we will set the color of the text, let's say light green. Let's save this. Okay, it's much lighter. Now we are going to go with the heading. So this is the h1, and let's set the color of the heading yellow. Okay, then we are going to set the background color of the main box to black, like I have said. We'll change it. Okay, now for the visibility of the main box we are going to do box shadow. First of all we are going to do 0 pixels for the x-axis, 0 pixels for the y-axis, and 30 pixels for the blurrity, and we'll choose green yellow color for a neon look. And we are having this, but the corners are so sharp, so we can use border radius to make them a bit curved, so we can use 15 pixels. Okay, now it's looking much nice. And then we are pending with the headings. Let's set the font family the same as we have chosen this. So and we'll paste it in here. Let's see the result. Okay, the heading is much smaller, so we can change the font size to, let's say, 40 pixels. Let's try this. Okay, I think it's perfect. or we can just change the box shadow to 35 pixels for more blurrity. Okay, so we are perfectly done with our skills part. I challenge you to hover over in this, or you can do some animations, or you can make it more creative. I have done this just for your practice. Keep practicing in HTML and CSS, and the JavaScript projects are coming soon, so please wait for them. If you like my video, then share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.